Advanced background techniques, attachment and gradients. This is day 12, which is part 3 of advanced background technique. Hello CSS enthusiast, I am Kiran Sharma from Kredict and today is day 12, marking the conclusion of our CSS background properties series. If you are ready to add the finishing touch to your background, hit subscribe. In this final part, we will explore advanced technique including background attachment and gradients. So first we will recap from day 11, which is part 2. Before we delve into today's content, let's quickly recap what we have covered in the last video, where we mastered the art of background repeat, position and size. If you missed it, check it out for some valuable insights. So first we will see background attachment. Control your background, behave with the scroll of the page using the background attachment properties. This determines whether the background image scrolls with the content or remain fixed. So here we will make first index.html in which we will link our CSS file. Let's link our CSS file. Index.html is here. Make a parallel section, and in the parallel section we will give some height and width. Height will be 300 pixel and width will 100%. And give these properties. You can see here we have these properties: background image and background attachment fix and background size cover. Just copy these images and paste here. So we will just change the path of image. Here we have image and this and fix and cover. So if I go like this, you can see here we have this image. So if I just give more height to it, like 800 pixel, you can see whole image is coming. This image is not scrolled fully because this image background attachment is fixed, you can see. So if I add some content in the starting of it, like if I make text, and in the text if I give some lorem like 100, so you can see this image is fixed. If a scroll is made, this image will not scroll with this scrolling. I hope you are getting this. So this is very useful property. So here the background image in the palette section remain fixed as the content scroll. I hope you are getting this. Next we have linear gradients. Elevate your backgrounds with gradient using the linear gradient property. Gradient allow for smooth transition between two or more colors, creating visually appealing effects. Let's make it. So first we will remove these sections, and in the parallel section if I remove this image and add background linear, like if you have to give this and linear gradient, if I give red to blue, so this will have two color with the transition red to blue. You can see here, you can see red to blue is. If I remove this background attachment and give any another color like this and change this color also, with this you can see color is changed. I hope you are getting this. This is gradient property. Here we have something some amazing colors. Just copy this and paste in the CSS. Here we have this amazing color. I hope you are getting this. So in this example we have created a horizontal gradient background transition from a shade of blue to red. So second we have radial gradients. So add a circular touch to your background with radial gradient. The radial gradient property enables you to create captivating radial color transition. So if I write circle here, you can see the gradient will come in the circle. If I just write circle like this and with some these properties, radial gradient, so the properties is coming in the circle. I hope you are getting this. So if you mastering advanced background techniques has you sparked your creativity, hit like and share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more daily CSS insights. This concludes our background properties series, but stay tuned for more exciting CSS content. Thanks for joining me on day 12 part 3. I am Krishna Sharma from Kredict signing off. Keep coding, keep designing. I will see you in the next series.